In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Upwork. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into Upwork like you normally would. Now, when you log in, you're typically going to see this bar that says identity verification. And it's going to be right over here if you haven't already completed your profile. So as you're able to tell, my profile is only 40% complete, and that is because I need to do the identity verification. So go ahead and press on get an IDV badge right over here. All right, so this is a relatively new section of Upwork. So it is going to say stand out to clients, and an identity verification badge can help increase your visibility with clients and stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it says buy connects to get an IDV badge. So let's go ahead and do that. Then you guys are able to set a custom amount right over here, the amount that you want to buy and how much you're going to be charged. So it is a little bit unfortunate that we need to actually purchase connects in order to do this, but keep in mind that it is around $5.25 with tax and stuff like that. You could also include a promo code as well if you do have that, but then you just want to press on buy connects just like so. And you're able to go ahead and purchase it with a payment card like a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, etc. We also have PayPal and Venmo as well. So again, I know it's a little bit unfortunate that Upwork really puts this kind of stuff behind a paywall, but unfortunately, that is the way it is. But you're able to get it with 35 connects. So if you already have 35 connects, you're easily able to do it. However, if you have 0 connects like me, then you're going to need to go ahead and buy connects. So the way it works is then you're going to have to show them a government issued ID, and they're going to check that the country where your ID from matches the country in your profile. So you really want to double check that everything in your profile is actually accurate and correct and appear on camera. So to show that it's really you, it's going to make you take a selfie or join a video chat as well. Then it is going to submit an identity for review. And by the way, if you have a Freelancer Plus membership on Upwork, you can get 100 connects every single month. So I also do want to mention that as well. So again, you will need to go ahead and do that in order to actually verify your ID. So once again, I know it's very frustrating, but I just want to be as transparent as possible with you guys, and I want to let you guys know the truth. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.